You are about to find out the key levels for Genius Group, ticker GNS. So to get straight into it, we're up 40% today. We're sitting around 170 as of right now. So what are the key levels? So as soon as we zoom out, we got fair value, and that's finally what we broken above for the first time in a few months. And again, that was around 88 cents to around 66 cents. So we've broken above that, and we've broken above our anchored quarterly VWAP. So this goes from June 1st. Now, if we zoom out, what are then the key resistances that we can be paying attention to on Genius? So if we push up, we got a key range between 240 and 265. So this is where if I was holding it long, I would be using it as targets, but really I'm more of a reversal trader. So we'd definitely be looking more for a pullback off of this level. Ideally, though, if I did take this trade, I'd probably be using smaller size, and the reason I say that is this stock can move, so really I'd rather be trying to catch these highs. I mean, you go back earlier this year, 30 cents in January, pushed over to $8, so this stock definitely has a potential to have strong moves, and that's why I don't really want to be getting in a trade like this prematurely at 240, 260, when we can wait for it to move that bit further to key levels. You got 320 anchored VWAP from Jan 1st. But then we come into our stronger deviation levels at around 435 to 440. And if we break even high, we then have $6.10 as those third deviations. So that's really what I'm paying attention to more on Genius Group. I would be using this more as a target location, and then really waiting for it to kind of break above to either of these levels to potentially start looking at some swings. Now, I wouldn't be short on the shares because right now it's hard to borrow, so probably not going to be able to get any to trade. So the main way I'm going to be looking at this is probably just trading it through the options. Again, we would need to probably see a bit more volume on these. There's not a massive amount, but we could just be looking to trade either outright puts or look to trade some sort of vertical spreads to be able to trade this stock to the downside while defining that risk. Because again, on a trade like this, we really want to have defined risk. Because again, if a stock can go from 30 cents to $8, we don't want to be shorting that nakedly and just having all that upside risk. So again, if I'm trading any stock like this short bias, it will be defined risk.